It's now time to talk specifics with our Friday Gulf storm and just how cold will it be next week. From the WRUF Weather Center, I'm Jeff Huffman, tracking all the changes that start on Friday. We do have one more nice day to enjoy with some leftover dry air on Thursday, but Wednesday's water vapor sure tells the story. There goes the dry air, and look at this spin over Arizona, New Mexico. This is a developing storm that's going to become quite strong when it moves into the northern Gulf, and it will be a nor'easter this weekend. Here's the latest on what you need to know for north central Florida. We've had stronger storms than this winter, but this will certainly interrupt some travel Friday afternoon with some heavier rain at times. Going to talk about rainfall amounts. I'm not expecting flooding, but we're going to get some soaking rain and in some cases some much needed rain. And the severe threat is not zero. It's very low, but it does exist. First of all, you can see the timing here. We've got a warm front lifting north Friday, maybe a shower in the morning hours, but the better chances for heavier sustained rain will happen when the cold front gets here late in the afternoon hours. And the actual front may not move through until about midnight, so up until then we still could have some downpours and maybe even a lingering shower early Saturday morning. But check it out, your weekend, not bad looking, just kind of cold feeling. The higher pressure moves in and we'll have a blustery northwest wind on Saturday with struggling temperatures lingering into Sunday. Not a whole lot of rain here, but most areas will see at least a half inch, especially Gainesville north and westward. Heavier amounts closer to where that storm track will be through the Panhandle. And as I mentioned, can't rule out some lightning. I can't rule out some gusty winds, and there is still a very low chance that a storm could rotate as well. These risks for severe weather between 2 and 8 o'clock on Friday, and we'll keep you updated if that changes, whether the risk increases or decreases. Go to WRUFweather.com for that. The Friday storm becomes a nor'easter. It will disrupt travel up the I-95 corridor. It opens the floodgates for polar air to move in. And look at the wind trajectory here right into the state of Florida. This one will hurt next week for a couple of days. Here's your updated 6-day forecast. Best chances for rain after 2 Friday, ending before many of you wake up Saturday. Cooler over the weekend, but then getting even colder. By Tuesday, we could have a freeze Tuesday or Wednesday night. Stay tuned for updates.